What if you could click your mouse, copy and paste, and get paid $25 to $50 in PayPal cash over and over and over again? Well, that's exactly what we've accomplished. Take a close look at the screenshot shown in this video. Yup, you're looking at $63,167.09 in online profits. $25 to $50 payments might be small, but it quickly snowballs into a large amount of online earnings, as you saw with the income screenshot I showed earlier. Want to see how it works? Would that interest you? If you answered yes, then you're going to love what we have for you today. And here's the best part about this all: no struggling or paying to get traffic, no making videos, no creating your own products, no messing around with emails, no spamming social media, no paid traffic. None of those expensive and time-consuming headaches are involved with Storm. Storm is the world's first app that combines one-click monetization and copy-and-paste technology. It fuses these two elements together, resulting in a storm of online earnings for us, which is why we call it Storm. It's allowing us to generate an endless stream of $25 to $50 payments over and over and over again. Money loves speed, and so does Storm, which is why it doesn't come as a surprise that the cash quickly rolls in with Storm. Just look at the payments we're receiving on a daily basis. And if you're a beginner and not sure if you can do this, don't worry. You can't get this wrong. Storm is a done-for-you, plug-and-play system that you can't mess up. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 1. Click on any button on this page now to get Storm at the lowest price. Do this now, as we will be closing our doors soon, as if we let in too many people, Storm could get saturated. Step 2. Turn on the Storm monetization system with just one click of your mouse. The work is done for you, so this is super easy. Step 3. Start copying and pasting to exploit a $39.9 billion loophole. And Step 4. Get paid. We're receiving $25 to $50 payments over and over into our PayPal accounts. Yes, Storm simplifies what once used to be hard. All we have to do is activate Storm with one click and copy and paste to get paid. So you can do this too, no matter your experience level. It took us 24 months, thousands of hours of work, along with tens of thousands of dollars to develop Storm. And with the money it's making our members right now, it would be reasonable to charge $297 per month for access to Storm. But that's a bit high for you, am I right? So I'm going to do something special for you now. Instead of paying the full price, all I ask you to do is pay a low, one-time price for access to Storm, the same as a pizza pie. I won't even keep much of the profit. Most of it goes to support the server infrastructure. But to take advantage of this special offer, you can't delay. If too many people use Storm, we risk the threat of saturation. So, to make sure that it doesn't happen, we will only be letting in so many members. After our capacity is reached, our doors will be closed for good. If you like the sound of Storm, the best thing for you to do right now is take action and get your hands on Storm while it's still available. After all, what's the risk? You're backed by our 180-day money-back guarantee. And to put the odds even more in your favor, we will pay you $250 if you fail for some odd reason. Yes, that's how confident we are that Storm will work for you. There is no way for you to lose. The only way you lose is by not getting a copy. So, what are you waiting for? Take the plunge, click the button below right now to get a copy of Storm.